Everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll see how to change the thumbnail for your YouTube shorts while uploading via desktop. So we have already seen this feature available on your YouTube mobile app, but this was not available on the desktop while uploading any YouTube shorts. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So, first things first, what I observed is I have two channels, one with 100 subscribers, which is this YouTube with Saave, and the other one, which is I am Saave with 38,000 subscribers. So, YouTube has rolled out this feature for channels which are monetized or under the YPP program. And whenever you upload any short now for those channel which are monetized under YPP, so I will just take a sample over here, a random clip. So when I try to upload over here, you can see I get this option. I can either upload a thumbnail file over here, like suppose just for purpose, I will just select. So you can see I have uploaded a thumbnail and this has been set as thumbnail for this YouTube short, or I can even select one from the one snapshot from the video itself. So this is being rolled out for creators which are already monetized and under the YP program, or you can select a frame from your video, right, as your YouTube thumbnail. So this is one way for creators who are already monetized. They can select the thumbnail while uploading for the YouTube shorts from their desktop. However, for those who are not yet monetized, if we do the same thing over here, if I try selecting the same video file, I won't get the option. So YouTube is rolling out this in phases, and currently all the channels which are monetized are able to upload thumbnail while uploading via desktop as well. So do check for your account, try uploading via your desktop, and let me know if you're able to select the thumbnail while uploading via desktop. Subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave for more such information for your YouTube journey.